Hello everybody, thanks for joining me and welcome. I recently had a friend of mine who had cut down 2 big oak trees in his yard. He had seen some things I'd made in the past. He said, hey, if you'll make me something, you can come and take your pick of the wood that's in the yard. He's splitting it up for firewood to sell. And he said, just come and pick some pieces. There's more than enough, and take your pick. Just make us something out of it, because it'd be cool to have something from the yard. So I went and got several pieces, some big pieces, small pieces, and the big pieces, I've cut them up, but they're pretty wet, so it's going to take a long time to dry. And I didn't want them to have to wait a long time to get something, so I took one of the smaller crotch pieces, and I'm going to make a bowl out of that. Just say, hey, I'm not going to forget you. I am going to give you something, and just something small for now till the wood dries out. So stick around and see how it turns out. In case if you get what you pay for, I bought this pretty base plate with a worm screw. You see how small that is? I didn't realize it was that little. And that's the result. So I'll be trying to get that out. I've got 3 or 4 coats of the polyurethane on here. I put a coat on, sand it to 220 twice, and then the last couple times I did it to 400. Then I put what I thought was going to be the last coat on, and then when it dried I looked and noticed that it had a few runs in there, so sanded it back down smooth, and I'm going to put on what is hopefully, again, the last coat of polyurethane. So I'm almost finished. I had a couple more runs to fix. I'm pretty happy with that. And something else I'm happy with, I finally got around to cutting up the rest of the wood that came from. Look at that. It's been a long wait for that to dry so I can use it. But I'm getting it all ready. Alright, well, I'm finally finished with this one. I'm very happy with how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give me a like if you did, and subscribe. If you are a subscriber, I'd appreciate it very much. It is appreciated. I know everybody says that, but it does mean a lot. And it tells me I'm doing something right, and to keep doing what I'm doing. You guys like what I'm doing. So if you have any suggestions on that note of something I can do different or a different project, let me know. I'm open to any ideas. So have a blessed day, and thanks for watching. See ya.
Thank you.